Leetcode problems 3442, maximum difference between even and odd frequency 1. We are giving a string S and it is consisting of lowercase English letters. So our task is to find the maximum difference between the frequency of two characters in the string, so such that one of the characters has an even frequency in the string. So for example, character B has an even frequency, which is 2, and character A has an odd frequency, which is 5. Yeah, so other characters have an odd frequency, so odd frequency is 5. So we're going to return the maximum difference calculated as the frequency of the character with an odd frequency minus the even frequency. So it's going to be easy. According to the description, we can directly solve the problem, because definitely there is a odd frequency and there's an even frequency. Yeah, so we're going to use a counter to count it before we calculate it. So we're going to use a counter of string, and then for kv instead of the items, so we're going to check the value. If this way modular 2 equal to 0, so this means we're going to have the even frequency, so we're going to choose the minimum, because for even we're going to choose the minimum because we're going to use the odd minus the even. So it's going to be even with this frequency. Otherwise, if the frequency is odd, we're going to update it with odd, but for odd we're going to choose the maximum with odd with this frequency. So finally we just need to use the odd minus the even. So what is odd and even from the beginning? So odd and even. Because for odd we're going to choose the maximum, it's going to be a negative infinity, and for the even it's going to be an infinity, because for even we're going to always choose the minimum. Now let me just run it and submit it to check if it works. As you can see, it works and it's pretty fast, and the time complexity is O(n), and the space complexity is O(n) as well, because we used a counter. I think that's all about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.